This beautiful, this is Ridley's Jeep. The Barbie Jeep.
No, Dora.
Oh, Dora the Explorer Jeep. Sorry, Dora the Explorer Jeep. We've had it for, I think, 3 years now.
Yeah, 3 years.
And it's a little worse for wear because it lives outside. And so now we're going to paint it and soup it up.
Jurassic Park.
Yeah, I got an 18-volt adapter for it. So we're going to sand it, clean it up, and make it awesome. First thing we do, clean it up, get it ready for paint. Get all inside there too. Inside. It's the 2 engines, 2 motors, electric motors. Shifter will leave. This is the new 12-volt adapter. The steering column just had a pin. I'm gonna clean it up. We're not spraying our friends, buddy. So we have the wheels covered. Corbin is sanding. Ridley is shaking stuff, and we have the big pieces out. We're gonna paint the body last. We'll paint the accessories first. Not yet. All right, shake. For the body, I'm using khaki. This Rust-Oleum khaki for plastic. Then I'm using apple red gloss for the red. And then a warm caramel for the seat and the steering wheel. I might expand the seat, put a bigger seat in there. There's plenty of room, but I think just camel now looks good. Yep, far away, yep. Oh, keep moving, yep, you gotta move. Keep hitting. Perfect. Get a nice coat. You might have to shake it. Oh, not while you're painting. Taking a little break.
Yeah.
This one's pretty good. This one's looking good.
Chicken pox on my
Hood. Got that. The details. Roll bar. Yep, over. There you go.
It looks like a dinosaur already.
Yeah. Day 1 is done. Got painted the body, painted the roll bar. Obviously, I'm going to come back, tape everything off when I add the stripes for the red and touch up the red from the overspray. I think it's looking really good. That camel brown, steering wheel brown. This is looking really good. I get some stickers for the mirrors. Hopefully figure out lights and lights for the other bar too. But got a little overspray here, a little crazy. But painting with the kids, that's what happens. But looking good. Now I'm gonna add the stripe here and the stripe here. That'll be easy. So far, so good. I painted the side stripes. Mask. Now we just wait for decals and the lights. So this 18-volt, it's just like a 3D printed piece of plastic. It's plugged in where the lead acid battery was connected. And the lead acid battery, I think it was 6 volts. And it has no problem with it. What's cool is I have a bunch of these Ryobi drill and power tool things, and they work really well. Oh, hold on. Okay. All right, let's see if this one's fast.
Wait. I'm the one who makes sure Corbin does Corbin's.
No, back up and go around. some replacement stickers on Amazon. These are the normal Powerwheels stickers, but I did order the Jurassic Park stickers and a license plate as well. New headlights, stickers. Stickers on the back. Yeah, I'll show you where those go. So this, which one you want to put on first?
This
That's
one.
that one, JP18.
No, one goes right here.
Oh, and go inside and get the stickers that are on top of the kitchen counter. There's 2 license plates. So I ordered the Powerwheels Jeep kit. This is like $9 or $15. Just a replacement sticker kit. So I got these. I might replace the windows with these windows because I think the dinosaur is funny. I ordered these license plates off Etsy, and I know it's not the 18, it's a 15. This really was born in 2015. And that sticker already looks great. The transformation is complete.
I want to put the other license plate.
No, these are cooler. These are way cooler.
I want to put it right here.
No. That says Powerwheels. We don't need that.
I can do what I want.
Papa overruled. Do you like the dinosaurs in the mirrors? In the Jeep tow Palomas and beer. Let's look. All right, go.